Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone as contributor to your Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you need to head over to the Wix dashboard of your Wix site. Now, I'm on the dashboard right here at the home page. Then from in there, I can click on this three dots right here, which is the site actions. Now I can head over and click on this add collaborators. Then under that, I should be able to see in here what it looks like. You can also head over to settings, rules and permissions, and invite collaborators. Now for this one, let's just put in here the email of the person that we want to add as a collaborator. So let's put in here my other email. And then from in here, I can select the role, which is admin, website manager, website designer, back office manager, or content writer right here. So for example, I will put them as website manager in here, and as you can see, I have checked that. And then in here, I can also add them some CMS roles, billing roles, marketing roles, as well as store roles right here. So just choose the one that you want to add, and then from in there is the consent invite. And then once you have clicked on that, you can tell them how you're connected. So for example, since this is my account, you can actually just head over and just choose which one is applicable to you. So I'll just put in here a friend and family member, then click on done. Then after that, it will send an invitation to the specific email from in there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.